Hello students, welcome to the next session of the part second of class 11th economics. This part is related with Indian economy. We have discussed that what Britishers left for India. We have to study here, discuss here the state of agriculture sector on the eve of independence. State of agriculture sector on the eve of independence. On the eve of on the eve of independence. On the eve of independence. What was the state of agriculture sector on the eve of independence? Generally, agriculture sector is that sector which is related with the production of agricultural goods, whether it is sustainable crops related with livelihood, vegetables, cereals, or commercial crops. India's agriculture sector on the eve of independence showed three characteristics. So, Indian agriculture showed three principal characteristics. Three principal characteristics on the eve of independence. On the eve of independence. When India got freedom in 1947, our agriculture showed three characteristics. Together, these characteristics pointed to the backwardness of Indian agriculture. So, these three characteristics pointed out backwardness of agriculture. So when we look upon these three characters, they clearly show us that Indian agriculture was a backward agriculture. So these three characteristics pointed out backwardness of Indian agriculture. As well as stagnation. These three characteristics shows first backwardness and stagnation in agriculture sector, and stagnation which is not dynamic, which is not vibrant. So what are these three characteristics? So in this lesson we will discuss the three main characteristics of Indian agriculture. What was the features or characteristics of Indian agriculture at the time of independence? First characteristic of Indian agriculture at the time of independence was low level of productivity. So production level in the agricultural sector in India, it was very low. Level of productivity, output per hectare, that is output per hectare of land, was extremely low. It was extremely low, very low. It was very low. It was so low that agriculture could easily be characterized as backward. It was so low that this sector is declared as a backward sector. So when we will compare the productivity at the time of independence in India in the agriculture sector with the productivity of developed countries, it was very, very low. It was very, very low. So, low productivity implies certainly low level of output. Low productivity, low productivity means low output, low output, low level of output. Despite large area under cultivation, despite large area under cultivation. So huge plots of land, huge area of land was cultivated, but output was very meager despite large area under cultivation. बहुत सारा लैंड कल्टीवेट हो रहा था, उस पे जिम्मेदारी हो रही थी, उस पे काम हो रहा था, लेकिन जब हार्वेस्टिंग टाइम आता था तो प्रोडक्टिविटी वाज वेरी लो. We have a table. We can give a sketch of low productivity, of crops in Indian agriculture. We shows what was the productivity in 1947 and compare it with the productivity of 2007-2008. So we can understand this characteristic with the help of a table. For example, we have a table. A table shows, we can say table shows production in agriculture in 1947 and 2007-8. So we have different crops. We have productivity per hectare. Productivity per hectare. We have production in lake tons. Production in lake tons. This is total production and this is production per hectare. This is 1947 and this is 2007-8. This is 1947 and this is 2007-8. We have wheat. What was the production of wheat per hectare? Per hectare में कितनी productivity हमें आती है? It was 660. It was 660. But in 2007-8, we had 2802. और एक चीज हम ऐड यहाँ कर सकते हैं, और एक साल हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. We can add 1 year more. Sorry, here. एक चीज हम और भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, और भी इंफॉर्मेशन दे सकते हैं. 47. This is 2007-8. 2007 and 2008. This is 2008 and 2009. This is 1947. This is 2007, 2008. This is 2008 and 2009. This is 660. This is 2802. This is 2806. Rice production was meager, 64 lakh tons in whole India. It is 786 tons, lakh tons in India. It was 776 lakh tons in whole India. The production of rice, it was 110 per hectare. Per hectare, it was 2202 per hectare now. It is 2177 per hectare. It was meager 17 lakh tons. Only 17 lakh tons in 1947. It was 1967 lakh tons in 2007-8, and in 2008-9 it is 994. So this table shows what was the state of productivity in Indian agriculture at the time of independence. So the table shows that productivity of wheat was nearly 4 times lower in 1947 compared with its level in 2008. So productivity of rice was merely 20 times lower in 1947 compared with its level in 2008. Likewise, level of productivity of wheat was nearly 12 times lower, and that of rice was nearly 57 times lower in 1947 compared with their levels in 2008. So this was first characteristic. What was the state of productivity in Indian agriculture at the time of independence? In the next lessons, I will give you brief sketch about other two characteristics of the Indian agriculture at the time of independence. Thank you.